Hey, good evening, everyone. Well, we continue with pretty much the status quo on sustained winds. They've been averaging into the teens, upper teens, low 20s. Still the same direction out of the north-northwest. We continue on with those. High wind warnings remain in effect throughout the entire evening through early tomorrow morning, including Santa Monica Mountain Range. Santa Barbara coast, you can see the mountains, all high deserts. And then a little closer down towards the basin, the valleys of LA Ventura County, we pick up these wind advisories. Those will continue through the evening hours. Off to the east, red flag warnings, blow and dust advisory happening as well. So here's the way the winds look. They pick up tonight through tomorrow morning early. Then they'll start to dissipate a little bit, ease off. They'll be here, but they'll shift and become offshore. And then we'll start to bring in some high pressure. And the temperatures are going to start to rise beginning Friday and taking us in through Saturday before we start to change direction yet again with a good trough digging in. We could get some heavier winds again on Monday. We'll see as we get closer. But there's a look at the 7-day for the beaches, downtown, OC, and the valleys for the Inland Empire. Nice day tomorrow. A little windy, though. 85 on Saturday. High desert 69. Mountains coming in at 53. Moving up to the low 60s over the weekend. We'll see you tonight at 11 o'clock with Peter, Suzanne, and myself, and Jim Hill, of course. Have a good night, everybody.